my favorite kitty. Yeah. She cries about everything. If you look at this kitty the wrong way, she'll start screaming and crying. Or an evil stranger walks by the stroller, she'll scream and cry. But that's part of the reason why she's my favorite. She's like my bodyguard. Right, Kiwi? You're my cute little bodyguard. And you're also my little alarm clock. This kitty is so awesome. I love her a lot. And she craves attention. Like, you have to pet her 24 hours a day and hold her 24 hours a day. She is so cute. Yeah, you're so cute and adorable. And you love attention, right, baby girl? I got two names for her, Kiwi and Baby Girl. Sometimes I call her Baby Girl because she cries like a baby all the time. Right, baby girl? And her brother and sister is in the stroller right now, and they're super quiet. They're not meowing, which is a good thing. The whole day today, the other two kitties were not meowing. But this one, Kiwi, my baby girl, was crying the whole day. Yeah. She's also like very super sensitive to like loud noises and those cars going by and the traffic. And she gets super sensitive when she sees like an animal go by, like a bird or a dog or something, or a squirrel or a rat. She's sensitive about everything. Right, baby girl? Look, you see yourself in the camera, baby girl? I love you, baby girl. Peace out, everybody. Kiwi, baby girl, say hi to everybody in New York City. I love you, baby girl. Peace out.